One of the most beloved fish by the Filipinos is the Lapu-Lapu. Its firm texture and mild taste make it so versatile that you can toss in all the ingredients you love and still come up with delicious, mouth-watering dishes. Pat dry the tofu with a paper towel. And dredge it into the flour until well coated for crispier texture. Now, I love using Baguio pure coconut oil in cooking. It's high with healthy lauric acid that can increase your good cholesterol. It's very suitable for high heat cooking methods like frying, so it's perfect for today's dish. Fry the tofu until brown and crispy. Our tofu is perfectly cooked. Turn up the heat and transfer it to a plate with paper towel to remove excess oil. Set it aside, and I'm going to turn on again the heat to medium for our lapu-lapu. Pat dry the fish with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. Water will cause the hot oil to splatter, and we don't want that. These burns are very painful, so you really have to be careful. Score the fish by slashing across the thickest part of the flesh. This method allows the seasoning to reach through the thickest part of the fish. Season the fish with salt and pepper and lightly coat it with cornstarch. Tap the excess cornstarch. Check the oil if it's ready. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some cornstarch. If it starts to bubble, then the oil is ready. Fry the fish for about 5 minutes on each side. Its delicate texture may dry out when overcooked, so keep an eye on it. Our fish is perfectly cooked. I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Now let's prepare the sauce. Let's start with the tausi and rinse it with water twice to remove the saltiness. Add some Baguio pure coconut oil. Turn on the heat to medium. Add the onions. Reserve the 1/4 of onions for the garnish later. Add the garlic and ginger. Saute it on low heat to release the aroma flavor. Smells so good. Green bell pepper. Reserve the 1/4 again for the garnish, and also with the red bell pepper. And continue to saute until they are softened. Add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, water, time to add the tausi. Add the sesame oil. Continue to simmer for about 5 minutes, just enough time to blend in all the flavors. Now to thicken the sauce, I'm going to make a cornstarch slurry. I have 2 teaspoons of cornstarch here and 2 teaspoons of water as well. So you just mix them together. And then pour it over the sauce. Give it a good stir. And you let it simmer for another 3 minutes. Now it's time to add our fried tofu. And continue mixing until the tofu absorbs the sauce. Have a taste and see if it needs more seasoning. It's perfect. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Garnish it with bell peppers and onions. Serve this as a focal dish in any gatherings, and you'll surely impress all your guests.